Hi guys, how's it going? Here we are, hey, another Wednesday, another shave, and boy, have we got a good one lined up for you today. Sorry, itchy nose, I try and be professional. Oh, having work done all over the place, and there's dust everywhere, so I do apologise. But anyway, I'll show you the brush first. Here it is, Polar Shaving. I think it's 22mm, maybe 24 at this Badger. It's not the greatest, but I'm trying to break it in. The hairs feel very waxy and it does have a tendency to hold, but it's a nice looking brush. Holds a lather. We'll get that there. Put it in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. And then we'll crack on with this stuff. Look at this, guys, what we're using today. Here we go. The main man, Summer Break Soaps Company, Rope Swing. Now this, what can I tell you about this? Oh, there's the pour. It smells absolutely fantastic. Here we go. Summer Breaks will go on there, and I'll read you out the scent notes on this one. Dandelion, water, moss, galbanum, juniper, ozone, patchouli and cedar. Now I get the cedar, I get patchouli and I get juniper and ozone. There's like a salty sea air vibe to this going on. It smells absolutely fantastic. Strength straight out of the puck, I would say put it at about 5. There's the ingredients. If you can see those, you can pause that if you're interested. But this, guys, oh, it smells absolutely fine. Cold, dark winter days here. Let's get lifted. Let's get to that rope swing. Oh, yes, absolutely fantastic. So that's the soap. You've seen the brush. The weapon. Here it is. It's a Cuomo handle, but it's a razor. Stirling Soap Company's razor aggressive head. I bought that from Shaving Time. Aggressive, and it's a very good shave. It is a very good shave indeed. And what we're going to be putting in this, Gillette 7 o'clock Perma Sharp stainless from memory, guys. The last time I used this was super sharp. I mean, they were razor sharp. Razor sharp. There you go. That's it. We'll get it out here. Yeah, I remember them. Look at this. Nice blade. I like the branding. You know, nice black standout branding. So you can see that. I like that on a razor blade. There you go. Put that in there. Yeah, I've got that many blades that I try and get through. Very rarely use the same blade twice in a row, but from memory, that was very sharp the last time I used it. We'll put that in the Super Soaker. We're going to be balming up with this. Aaron McCree Sea Salt and Rock Rose. There's an ozone sea salt vibe to this. It blends very well with this. In this, there's ozone and sea salt in there, which is going to be nice. And the aftershave, a gift from Stuart George. Thank you, Stuart. Did a trade, he sent that up for me. Look at that. I was after some of this as well and couldn't find it anywhere. Malizia Umo. Vetiver aftershave. Let's have a sniff. Oh. Today, guys, is going to be a good shave. But before we go any further, housekeeping. Come on, let's have a look. Just want to bring your attention to a new YouTuber. I think he's called Eric. His YouTube channel is a better every shave. That's his channel there. And you see it? Better every shave. I'll get that on there. He's a good guy. We'll give him support. Show him some love. Check his videos out. Give him a sub. Tell him, say that big handsome guy from Lancashire over there in the UK told me all about you. So I'm here. Hey, there you go. Enough of this frivolity and waffleization. We'll crack on with this shave. Oh, I'm all excited. Yay. in from work. We're having some work done in the kitchen and bathroom. So, yeah, things are a bit up in the air. But hey ho, it's what it is. There you go. Here we go, guys. You're seeing it as I'm seeing it. Straight away, look at that. Absolutely wonderful. What we'll do is, wow, I can tell you right now, it's a thirsty soap. We'll get some more water in there. And we'll load onto the brush and lather onto the face. So how are you all doing? It's all just about had enough of the cold and the darkness now. Right, let's get a good, this is going, oh, wow, look at this, guys. Absolutely wonderful. So here we go. Let's see where we go. This is a beautiful brush. But badgers, they do love to hang on to the soap, don't they? Not all of them. My Yaki, high mountain badger, is pretty good at letting it go. But let's play around with it. See where we get up to. Wow. Right, well I can tell you right now, let's dip the tips. I'm getting a tingle from this soap. Like a, not menthol, but a cooling tingle. Especially around my lips where the skin's thinner. I don't know if there's menthol in this. I don't think there is. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Absolutely wonderful. Very rich, very thick, very creamy. Rich and thick. A bit like me if I ever came into some money. Oh man. Right, here we go. Stirling. Don't you just love Stirling? I need to dig out some Stirling soaps and get a Stirling shave on the go. There you go. Stirling. It's marked as the AS. Aggressive. The head only. I got this from shavingtime.co.uk where you get 10% off if you use code JohnShaves101. So remember, if you want 10% gone, use code John101. Here we go. We'll put this. Wow. Yeah, it's taken it down, but it actually felt really, really mild. Not really, really smooth, though. Isn't it funny how your memory plays tricks on you? I've got razors in there I'm using. And I'm remembering them as being mega, mega aggressive for some reason. And I'm using them, they're so mild. And I've just remembered this one as being mega, mega aggressive. For some reason it's not actually. Very, very close. Very, very smooth. Taking those iron filings down. So how are you doing, guys? What are you up to? How are your shaves going? Please let me know. Please click like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow the channel. I appreciate all your subscriptions. Yeah, this razor's very nice. I wanted the full Stirling, the really, really aggressive one from Stirling. I can't remember what it was called. I don't think they do it now. So yeah, in from work. Straight on with the shave because I've got work to do in the kitchen. We've got workmen coming in tomorrow. So I've got preparatory work. Preparatory, oh my word. That's too big a word. That's too big a word for the midweek. This brush is doing okay, isn't it, guys? I have a feeling when it breaks in, that's going to be okay. It's doing better than I remember. You know, I had something else I wanted to talk about. And as is always the case, I've come in here to do the shave. Mine's gone completely blank. But yeah, please do go and give Eric a sub. I feel so bad for forgetting his name. I'm sure he's called Eric. Sorry, Eric, if you're watching. If you're not called Eric, I'll just call you Eric from here on in. It'll be easier than just trying to remember your name. Oh my word. There you go. Yeah, so wow. Catch myself there. Feel like I got a little kiss. A little kiss off the Stirling. Yeah, there is definitely. There's definitely something in this, guys. But it doesn't smell. There's no menthol smell. There's no menthol on the label. But there's something cooling my skin. And I don't know what it is. If you do know, let me know. Have you used summer break soaps before? Have you used this before? Let me know what you are using. We're here. In the words of Bon Jovi, we're halfway there. Oh. Halfway through the week. Happy hump day. Woo woo. Oh, honestly, I jump out of bed, me, on a Monday morning, and I'm like, oh, hey, is it Friday yet? So yeah, please let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know if you've used summer break soaps. This blade's doing really well. This blade's doing really very soft, very smooth. Against the grain. I think when I cut myself a couple of shaves ago, I think I topped a spot or something. And I don't think it's quite healed. And there you go. That's us. Yeah, there is definitely something cooling my skin down in this, guy. Wow. Yeah, that's okay. Here we go. Shall we see if it's held anything? Lather mittens. Actually, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Let's get them lather mittens. Yeah. On the usual suspects. We don't want to overshave it. Can you hear that singing? That'll do it. We'll call that, guys. We'll call that. Don't want to overshave it. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your support. Thanks for all the comments and the likes on the video. All helps the analytics. All helps the channel. Much appreciated. Oh, and that's it. That's our shave. Oh. So that's the best part of the shave. A slightly dry, crispy towel. Just a little bit, just a little bit abrasive on the skin. Absolutely wonderful. Here we go. Look at that. Do a little thinner. Look at that, guys. Well, not a single hair left. Absolutely wonderful. Here we go. Thank you, Stuart. I do a trade with Stuart. He always puts something in. He stuck this in for me this time. Absolutely wonderful. Cheers, pal. He said you'll like this, John. Oh, man. Oh, I do know. Oh, yeah. We'll get some more of that on. Actually, that actually feels... That feels really good. That feels really nice and it smells terrific. There you go, and we'll put some balm on. And that's our shave, guys. Thanks for listening. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for everything. The views are growing. The subs are growing. The channel's growing. So thanks to you all. Pat yourself on back, right? You've got to walk in the living room after, or the lounge, or the parlour, whatever you call it. Right, you've got to walk in, you've got to go. John from John Shave said I've got to pat myself on the back. Honestly, no, I'm going for a lie down. I feel myself getting hyper and I haven't even had any sugar. Right, look after yourselves and remember, the world needs more love. So let's us be the ones to show it. Look after yourselves and I will see you on Saturday for a signature Saturday shave. See you later, guys. Bye.